All right, guys, let's get started. Let me share my screen. Hope you all having a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, so gonna get started on break and retest. There's a lot of possible setups right now. We have you guys can hear me clearly, right? Okay, great. Uh yeah. There's a lot of possible setups right now. We have NAS 100, consistent downtrend right here. Clear break and retest. We'll wait for a possible setup here. Same thing with SPX, similar outlook. Started a nice recent downtrend. We'll wait for a possible break and retest at the zone. Do we have a Fibonacci confluence? Yes, we do. 618 right at the zone. So we'll wait for retest here, possible entry to go short. We have gold euro on higher time frames. This is on more like the H4, H1 minute 30 time frame, possible retest all the way down here to go long. We have USD SEK on the H4 as well, possible retest here to go short. We have AUD JPY. Zoom out on this. H4, nice strong downtrend. AUD is pretty bullish right now, so this may crack right through the zone, but still everything else is valid, and we could have a possible setup if we have indication. And we have USD HKD, very, very nice, strong overall downtrend. Clean break. Nice possible retest here to go short as well. We have USD KK, possible retest here to go short with clear indication right here. Looks like it could form a divergence even the bottom here. Go long and catch the retest here if that happens. We have Euro USD as well. Possible retest here to go long. Euro USD looks pretty solid. Nice steady uptrend. We had price break this zone to start the trend. Broke this break and retest zone here. And now form the new one. So this is a pretty consistent, strong uptrend here. So this would be a nice setup to look for buys once we can have like good indication over here. Euro GBP looks solid as well. A little bit more on the aggressive side because we're just starting the uptrend. Previously has been on a strong downtrend and it's just starting the uptrend now. So it's a little bit more aggressive on the H1. Yeah, a little bit more aggressive here, to be honest, on Euro GBP, but still semi-valid. Let me make this light blue. USD CAD, slightly aggressive, not too much, because price broke the zone over here. Price broke the zone and also broke this zone here. So it's not really aggressive. It's still fine. Downtrend is pretty consistent. We have steady lower highs, steady lower lows. Possible setup here to go short. So we have also the oils. The oils look like the best so far. UK oil and US oil. These two look like the best break and retest right now on the charts. So I'll be keeping a close eye on these two oil setups. I'm going to go short on those. Gold came, tested the zone, instantly popped up. We had an engulfing candle here, but it was not in the zone. It was a little bit above. Would have been nice here, but still popped up nicely. We have another zone right here. This would be solid if we have a retest here, which will could very likely to happen. So that'll be solid. We have retest there. And lastly, GBP and ZT come in near the H4 zone. This setup seems to look really solid, but the only issue is it came back a lot lower here. You know, if it breaks this support, you know, it's more likely that it will keep pushing down rather than retest from this one, because it formed like a nice support here, came and broke this zone, right? Yeah, broke this zone. Now came back, crashed down. If it breaks this support, yeah, most likely this is not really a strong zone anymore, right? So I would take this off the list, to be honest. Unless if we have like some, well, I'll leave it here. Unless we have some like crazy confirmation here, like some nice consistent engulfing candles or so. But most likely this is more likely to crash down rather than bounce up from here because of all of that. All right, let me let these guys in. Okay, we got these guys in. All right, so what else we looking at? So on liquid, I'll be looking to enter. Yeah, like I said, guys, these look like the best setups. UK oil. So to enter those the most when they retest. All right, so on the H4, it's mainly USD JPY and GU that look the closest to retesting these nice H4 zones. Everything else is pretty, pretty far right now on the H4. So UJ and GU look pretty solid. So we'll wait for those to retest the zones and see if they give us some nice indications to go to counter trend the trades at those key levels, right? But let's see. Forming a divergence. Where? There's a divergence that already formed, like two of them even. One formed here, worked out perfectly. Another one formed here, worked out perfectly as well. Maybe you're talking about the daily. No. Now everything else is set up solid here for break and retest, bro. These two are pretty set up nicely. And this, so, yeah, yeah, these two are pretty solid. And USD CAD, the Euro USD is pretty solid. The ones that are the likeliest to happen the soonest are NAS and SPX. So yeah, these are likely to happen the soonest on lowest time frames. Euro, gold euro, we will take a second. This is, much higher time frame. 80 JPY, like I said, 80 is pretty bullish right now. This could crash right through this zone. We would have to see some nice indications to pop in. UK USD HKD looks decent as well, decently close. Same thing with USD KK, possible divergence here as well. And EU. And yeah, those are mainly what I'm looking at, guys. And gold, possible drop all the way down here if it forms a nice setup. And yeah, GBP and ZD, like I said, since it, from this zone, broke it, came back, broke it down here, and could break this support, it will most likely not respect here unless we have some crazy strong indication. And GU and USD JPY. And yeah, guys, it's mainly what I'm looking at. These are the trades we're in on the channel. Going pretty well. And CD, CHF is barely don't take profit. And it's still further in profit, but yeah. But yeah, guys, that's it for this call. You guys have a nice, lovely rest of your day, rest of your week. And appreciate you. And yeah, guys, we will have another one either tomorrow or on Friday, another live session. And hopefully we have some, some of these trades triggering and we can have a like live trading session inside of the live session as well. I'll hop in these trades together. That'll be solid. But I guess you'll have a nice, lovely day, lovely trading week. Stay active. Remember, Anthony and Casey are pretty consistent. You guys can literally just copy their trades and you would be profitable. Just hop on Liquid, make sure you guys sign up. Best broker, Liquid Charts Pro, absolutely the best trading platform. Nothing compares to this. Makes trading so easy, so consistent. Nothing literally compares. And yeah, guys, peace, love, and blessings. And we'll see you guys on the next one, guys. Peace, peace, peace.